Moses, for him to go to Egypt, he said to God he cannot speak clear. Ne? So it's not that Moses cannot speak. It's not that Moses don't know what to say when he gets to Pharaoh. But Moses wanted action more than what he can speak. Because he only said that he cannot speak when God was sending him. Ne? When the time he was enjoying his life with his wife and previously on Egypt, he never complained about speaking. But now when God said, Moses, go there, now he begin to say that he cannot speak clear. Ne? So he is not like he never been clear speaking. Ne? But he needed a prophet. Second, he wanted to show or to act or to do this thing that white people say action speaks louder than the words. Ne? So if you count the work that Moses has done, it's a lot of works. Ne? He did not speak too much. So we must not be the brothers or the children of God who be speaking too much. We must not be the preachers, the prophets, the pastors who will be speaking too much. We must just do too much. Ne? Because it's not like Moses could never speak, but he chose to be doing more than what he can say with his mouth. So action speaks louder than words. If we are the children of God, if we are the sons of God, if we are hearing from God, if we are really, really called by God, sent by God, doing his will, we must do his will. The time to be saying it is a little. The time to be talking about it is too much now. We must do it. Then the world will see. Because the nature is ready to see what the sons of God can do.